Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use Chroma key in Adobe After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in After Effects and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find the option to start a new project. Here you're going to find open a project, new team project and open team project. Right here, you're going to find the option to create new. So I'm going to click on create new and then you can choose the media file you want to work with. So I'm going to choose this video, for example, click on import. And then as you can see guys, it's added right here. So right now I'm going to add another video by clicking on import file. And then I'm going to choose this video, which has a green screen. I'm going to drag it right here and then add it right here to the top. So right now, as you can see, guys, we have this video right here. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, like this. So right now, in order to remove this green screen, all you need to do, guys, is go here to Effects and Presets, and then once you do that, right here, as you can see, guys, you're gonna find a lot of sections, animations, presets, 3D channel, audio, blur and sharpen, and so on. And right here, you're going to find keying. Go ahead and click on keying. And then right here, you're going to find key light 1.2. Go ahead and drag it right here. Once you do that, it will be added right here. So once you're here in this menu, just go to screen color. And then you're going to find this eyedropper right here. So once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then just go ahead and click on the green color. And as you can see, guys, this is how you can easily remove the green screen. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.